Don't quote. For the integrated writing task, you are expected to explain the positions of the author and the professor in your own words. It is very important, therefore, to paraphrase everything. This is especially true of the reading passage. Remember, while you are writing your essay, the reading section will be right in front of you. If you directly quote the author, the E-rater system will pick up on it, and this can lead to a reduction in your score. For example, let's say the reading passage states, "There are many people who argue that corn ethanol should replace fossil fuel gas as the primary source for running cars." Don't say in your answer, "The author discusses how there are many who would argue that corn ethanol should replace fossil fuel gas as the primary source for running cars." This is a huge mistake that many students make. Instead, paraphrase the author's position, such as, "The author discusses the advantages of switching from fossil fuels to the alternative energy source, corn-based ethanol." Transitional phrases. Add transitional phrases to improve your score. To sequence points and reasons, organizing points made in each passage, first sentence of each body paragraph. And then, first of all, firstly, in the first place, first and foremost, firstly, secondly, thirdly, next, after that, meanwhile, lastly, later, finally, while. To elaborate, reporting on points from the listening passage in body paragraphs. When explaining your reason, usually the second sentence in the body. When developing your personal example. Above all, actually, additionally, as well as a matter of fact, in addition, believe it or not, furthermore, indeed, in fact, just as, moreover, more importantly, too. To illustrate, when introducing your personal example or anecdote, as an illustration, for example, for instance, I remember when, such as. Time management. For the integrated writing task, you only have 20 minutes to write your essay. Therefore, while time management is important throughout the test, it is especially important in this task. You should spend approximately 2 minutes taking notes and outlining your answer, 3 minutes writing your introduction paragraph, 11 minutes writing the body paragraphs, 2 minutes for the conclusion, and the last 3 minutes for editing. Make an outline. Making an outline is a good idea for any writing task, but especially important for independent writing. Unlike the integrated essay, this answer must come completely from you. With only 30 minutes to write your answer, it is important to come up with a plan first. Here are the kinds of questions you can expect. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? What is your opinion on the topic? Which one would you choose, A, B, or C? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Next, write down 2 strong arguments or reasons that you can make to support your position. Don't try to write more than 2, since you only have 30 minutes to write a strong and detailed essay. Finally, in your outline, write down a personal example that you can use in your answer to illustrate each one of your reasons. Main point, reason 1, personal example 1. Reason 2, personal example 2.